to study practice set 4.3. Question number third. If 3a plus 7b divided by 3a minus 7b equal to 4 by 3, then find the value of the ratio 3a square minus 7b square divided by 3a square plus 7b square. Solution: 3a plus 7b divided by 3a minus 7b equal to 4 by 3 is given by using componendo dividendo. By componendo dividendo, 3a plus 7b plus 3a minus 7b divided by 3a plus 7b minus 3a minus 7b equal to 4 plus 3 divided by 4 minus 3. 7b cancel, 3 plus 3 6a divided by 3a cancel, 14b equal to 7 by 1. A by b equal to 7 by 1 into 14 by 6 equal to 98 by 6. Then find the value of the ratio 3a square minus 7b square divided by 3a square plus 7b square. Squaring both sides, a square by b square equal to 40. Simplest form 49 by 3. 49 by 3 square. 49 square means 2401 by 9. Reason: squaring both sides. Then coefficient of a square is 3, b square is 7. Multiply both sides by 3 by 7. 3 by 7 into a square by b square equal to 2401 by 9 into 3 by 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. Remaining 3 7 4s are 28. Remaining 2 7 3s are 21. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3a square by 7b square equal to 343 by 3. By using componendo dividendo, by componendo dividendo, 3a square plus 7b square divided by 3a square minus 7b square equal to 343 plus 3 by 343 minus 3 equal to 346 by 340 equal to 173 by 2 1 2, 2 7 14, 2 3 6, 170. But we can find 3a square minus 7b square divided by 3a square plus 7b square by using invertendo. Therefore, 3a square minus 7b square equal to 170 by 173 by invertendo. By invertendo. Solve the following equations. Question number 4. Number first, x square plus 12x minus 20 divided by 3x minus 5 equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 divided by 2x plus 3. Solve the following equations. Means find the value of x by using operations on equal ratios. Multiply both sides by 1 by 4, x square plus 12x minus 20 equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 multiply both sides by multiply by 1 by 4, x square plus 12x minus 20 by 12x minus 20 equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 by 8x plus 12. Because coefficient of x is 12, in denominator multiply by 4, 12x minus 20. Then use the operations dividendo, because in numerator sign is plus, in second term x square plus 12x minus 20 minus 12x minus 20 divided by 12x minus 20 equal to x square plus 8x plus 12 minus 8x plus 12 divided by 8x plus 12 by dividend plus 12x minus 12x cancel, minus 20 plus 20 cancel, remaining x square by 12x minus 20 equal to 8x minus 8x cancel, 12 plus 12 minus cancel, x square by 8x plus 12. X equal to 0 is one solution of the equation is a solution of the given equation because we substitute, we put the value of x equal to 0, then both sides are equal, means equation can be satisfied. Therefore, x equal to 0 is a solution of the given equation. Next, x is not equal to 0, therefore x square is not equal to 0. Divide both sides by x square or multiply both sides by 1 by x square. 1 by 12x minus 20 equal to 1 by 8x plus 12 because divide by x square. Divide both sides by x square. Using cross multiplication, 12x minus 20 equal to 8x plus 12. 12x minus 8x equal to 12 Therefore, x equal to 0 or x equal to 8 are the solution of the given equation. Question: 10x square plus 15x plus 63 divided by 5x square minus 25x plus 12 equal to 2x plus 3 by x minus 5. We can also solve the given example by using cross multiplication or operations on equal ratios. In numerator, first and second term 5x is common. In bracket 2x plus 3 plus 63. In denominator also in first and second term 5x common. In bracket x minus 5 plus 12 equal to 2x plus 3 by x minus 5. Put or substitute 2x plus 3 equal to a and x minus 5 equal to b. 5x a means 5ax plus 63 divided by 5x b 5bx plus 12 equal to a by b. Cross multiplication 5axb means 5abx plus 63b equal to a into 5bx 5abx or abxa plus 12a powers will be same and variables are same, therefore 5abx 5abx cancel. 12a equal to 63b, write down in standard form. A by b equal to 63 by 12 means 3 4 is 12, 3 2 the 6, 3 1 the 3, 21 by 4. Reput a equal to 2x plus 3 and b equal to x minus 5. A by b means 2x plus 3 by x minus 5 equal to 21 by 4. 8x plus 12 equal to 21x minus 105. 8x minus 21x equal to minus 105 minus 12. Minus subtraction is 17x equal to 117 minus 117. Minus minus plus x equal to 117 by 17. X equal to 21 minus 8 13. 117 by 13. X equal to 9. X equal to 9. Therefore, x equal to 9 is the solution नंबर थर्ड 2x plus 1 square first bracket plus 2x minus 1 square second bracket divided by 2x plus 1 square minus 2x minus 1 square equal to 17 by 8 by using component or dividendo. Numerator means a, denominator means b. A plus b by a minus b. 2x plus 1 square plus 2x minus 1 square means a plus denominator means b. 2x plus 1 square minus 2x minus 1 square divided by a minus b. Numerator as it is minus into denominator minus 2x plus 1 square minus minus plus 2x minus 1 square equal to 17 plus 8 by 17 minus 8 plus minus term cancel in numerator also denominator 1 plus 1 2 2 into bracket 2x plus 1 square divided by 1 plus 1 2 2 into bracket 2x minus 1 square equal to 25 by 9 2 2 cancel taking a square root both sides 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1 equal to 5 by 3 cross multiplication 5 into 2 10x minus 5 equal to 6x plus 3 10x minus 6x equal to 3 plus 5 subtraction is 4x equal to 8 x equal to 8 by 4 x equal to 2 therefore x equal to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Remaining 3 examples आहेत ते सॉल्व करून बघा. सेम ऑपरेशन्स ऑन इक्वल रेशो यूज करून सोडायचे. कॉम्पोनेंटो डिविडेंडो किंवा कॉम्पोनेंटो या प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करून रिमेनिंग एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व.